Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica for Piano Man. First, let's talk about holding your harmonica. Hold it gently but firmly, ensuring your hands form a chamber to amplify the sound. For this song, you'll need a standard C harmonica. Position it so the numbers on the top cover plate are facing upwards, ready for playing. This proper grip is crucial for both comfort and producing clear notes. Now, let's dive into the iconic intro riff. The main melody uses holes 4, 5, and 6. Begin by blowing into holes 4 and 5 simultaneously, creating a rich, full chord. Immediately after, draw on hole 6. This combination forms the first distinctive phrase of the song's harmonica part. Focus on a smooth transition between the blow and draw notes for the best sound. To complete the main riff, follow that initial phrase by blowing into hole 6. Then, draw on holes 5 and 4 together, creating another harmonious chord. Once you have these two parts down, you can combine them. Repeat the entire sequence of blowing 4 and 5, drawing 6, blowing 6, and drawing 5 and 4 to play the full, recognizable intro. Practice this sequence until it feels natural. Mastering this piece takes practice, so start slowly. Focus on hitting each note clearly and precisely, ensuring no accidental bends or muffled sounds. Listen closely to the original recording of Piano Man to internalize the exact timing and rhythm. This will help you match the song's feel perfectly. Consistent, deliberate practice will significantly improve your accuracy and overall performance, making your harmonica sound fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.